Hello friends, welcome to my new update video. Here is given that x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is equal to 16 and xy is equal to 2. We have to find out the value of x and y. Let's go start. Here is solution. Is xy from the second equation xy is equal to 2. We here is x to the power 4, so we power the both sides by x to the power xy all to the power 4 is equal to the power 4. So here we can write x to the power 4 y to the power 4 is equal to the power 4. Okay, then we can write y to the power 4 is equal to the power 4 is equal to 16 by x to the power 4. Okay, then from the equation 1 we can write x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is equal to 16. Putting this here, we can write x to the power 4 minus 16 by x to the power 4 is equal to 16. Now let x to the power 4 is equal to u. Okay, then we can write this equation here. U minus 16 u is equal to 16. Now we can write the LCM u square minus 16 by u is equal to 16. Then we can write the next step, 16 is equal to 16 u. Okay, 16 u. Then here u square minus 16 u minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we can write the quadratic equation minus 16 u minus plus minus root over minus 16 all square minus 4 into 1 into minus 16. Okay, by 2 into 1. Okay friends, then we can write minus and minus is equal to plus minus root over 16 into 16 is equal to 6 and 1 is 6, 12 into 5, 15 and 1 to 2, 256. Here is 64 by 2. Okay, then we can write from this 16 plus minus root over here is 16 into 16 plus 16 into 4 by 2. Here 16 and 16 and 16 into 4, so 16 is common, is equal to 16 plus minus root over 16 into 16 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 16 plus minus here is 4 root 20 by 2. Okay, then we can write 16 plus minus 4 into root 4 into 5 by 2. Okay friends, then 16 plus minus root 4 is equal to 2 and root 5 by 2. Here is 16 plus minus 8 root 5 by 2. So 16 by 2 is equal to 8 and plus minus to 4 root 5. Okay, value is equal to u. So equal x to the power 4 is equal to 8 plus minus 4 root 5. Okay, 4 root 5. So here is x to the power 4 is equal to 8 plus 4 root 5, and x to the power 4 is equal to 8 minus 4 root 5. Okay, 4 root 5. Here is greater than 0, here is less than 0. So it is rejected. Hence the fourth root have is no real value, no real root. Okay, then from this we can write x part fourth root is fourth root 8 plus 4 root 5, and plus minus here is cancel. X is equal to plus minus fourth root, here is 4 common, and 2 plus root 5. Okay, then plus minus fourth root of 4 and fourth root of 2 plus root 5 is equal to plus, so root 2 and fourth root of 2 plus root 5, 2 plus root 5. Okay, x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 is equal to 16. So y to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 4 minus 16. Y to the power 4 8 plus 4 root 5 minus 16. Okay, is equal to, here is minus 8 plus 4 root 5. So I can write y is equal to fourth root of plus minus 8 plus 4 root 5. Okay, here is plus minus fourth root 4 is common, minus 2 plus 4 is part, so remain root 5 is plus minus root 2, and here is minus 2 plus root 5. So x is equal to plus minus root 2 and fourth root 2 plus root 5, and y is equal to plus minus root 2 and fourth root minus 2 plus root 5. So everybody, please subscribe my channel, and we'll meet you next video. Okay, thank you.